It is a beautiful, overcast, not sunny day today here at Techie Youth. We are going to have a different event today. We are preparing a bunch of older desktop computers to be donated to another charity, where we're going to turn that into a computer center for youth at the other charity, because they are beyond the useful life in our program. We need a little more power in our computers. So we have today several volunteers helping to prepare them by formatting them and putting a brand new fresh copy of Windows on them, and get them all ready for donation. It's kind of crazy because we have so many of them to give away that it's actually a huge job. This is one of them right here on the table in pieces, but we will only be giving away the ones that work, obviously, but there's a lot of them. What you see outside here is just a handful. I can't walk that way because he's got wires running, so I'm trying to dancing around the wires. But there's a whole lot of them to give away. We have a whole back room if I can sort of dance around the wires here. I think it's probably too dark in there, but you could see there's a whole wall of computers. You can't see in there. Whole wall of computers here. We're gonna give them all away. All 40 or so of them, 35, 40. Well, actually, of those 35, 40, we're gonna give away whatever works. I don't know how many of them work, but hopefully a lot do. And then they're gonna all go to a great cause, a computer center for youth. We haven't identified yet the charity, so by the time you watch this, you'll know more than I know right now, but they are gonna end up as a computer center for youth at some other charity very soon, and we're looking forward to seeing that. So keep watching, stick around, and enjoy the show. That was supposed to take like 2 hours, and it took like 5 because Windows was acting up and not installing. It didn't like the hardware, the USB sticks, it didn't like everything. So in the end, we got Windows running on about half the computers, and the other half we put Linux on them, which is just as good. Honestly, it's the same thing. So computers work, and now the next step is we're gonna give them away, donate them, and create a computer center at a youth cause that matters, and keep watching and see how that turns out.